Your credit score is literally a financial permission slip. Banks, lenders, and employers are all using it to decide how much you're worth. Here's the brutal truth. The average person with a bad credit score will pay about $44,000 more over their lifetime compared to someone with excellent credit. That's not a typo. $184,000. And the worst part? Most people have no idea they're sabotaging their own score right now. Today, I'm showing you the 5 biggest mistakes that are keeping your credit score in the gutter, and exactly how to fix them fast. First mistake, you're not actually checking your credit report. This is the foundation of everything, and you'd be shocked how many errors are sitting on your report, right now costing you points. You get one free credit report every year from each of the 3 major bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Go to annualcreditreport.com right now, not some sketchy paid site. Pull your report and spend 20 minutes reading it. Look for accounts you don't recognize, wrong payment histories, or duplicate entries. Studies show about 20% of credit reports have errors that are actively destroying your score. Find an error? You can dispute it directly with the bureau, and most corrections happen within 30 days. Second mistake, you're maxing out your credit cards and thinking it doesn't matter as long as you pay the minimum. Wrong. Credit utilization, the percentage of available credit you're actually using, makes up 30% of your credit score. That's massive. Here's what most people don't know. You don't need to max out at 100% to tank your score. Even using % of your available credit starts hurting you. Financial experts recommend staying under 30% utilization. So if you have a $5,000 credit limit, keep your balance under 1. If you're carrying 3 on that card, your score is bleeding points every single month. The fix? Either pay down that balance today or request a credit limit increase. That's it. Same balance, higher limit, instant utilization drop. Third mistake, you closed old credit cards after paying them off and thought you were being responsible. Actually, you just shot yourself in the foot. Credit age accounts for 15% of your score. When you close an old account, you're losing years of credit history, which tanks your score. Here's what to do instead. Keep those old cards open with a small recurring charge, like a Netflix subscription, and auto-pay them every month. This does 3 things. It keeps the account active, it maintains your credit age, and it keeps your utilization low. A card with a $0 balance looks better than no card at all. Fourth mistake, you're missing payments, even by just a few days, because you think it doesn't matter if it's not 30 days late. Stop. Payment history is 35% of your score. It's the single biggest factor. Even one late payment stays on your report for 7 years and destroys your score. One missed payment can drop your score 100 points instantly. Here's the real talk. Set up automatic payments for at least the minimum on every single account. Set them to go out 5 days before the due date, so you're never caught off guard by bank delays. This is the easiest way to protect 35% of your credit score with 0 effort. Now, if you've already made these mistakes, here's the fast fix that actually works in 30 to 90 days. First, dispute any errors on your credit report. That can add 50 to 100 points fast. Second, pay down your highest balance cards to get under 30% utilization immediately. Third, set up automatic payments today so you never miss another due date. Fourth, if you have the cash, request credit limit increases on your existing cards. Don't apply for new ones. That hurts your score. And fifth, stop applying for new credit. Every application is a hard inquiry that costs you points. These 5 steps together can realistically improve your score 50 to 150 points in the next 3 months. Here's what separates people who actually build financial freedom from people who stay broke. They treat their credit score like it matters. Because it does. A 750 credit score versus a 60 credit score could save you $50,000 on a mortgage alone. That's money you could use for investing for beginners, building passive income, or just achieving actual financial freedom instead of feeling trapped. Your credit score is free to improve. There's no secret, no subscription, no hack. It's just discipline and knowing the rules. Now you know the rules. If this was useful, like this video and subscribe for more real money tips that actually work. Drop a comment with your biggest credit score question and I'll answer it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.